In this video, we're going to see if we can use AI to remove the background. And if I really want, could I keep myself and the plant? And what happens if I'm moving? Because with a traditional green screen, the stuff around me would just keep up, right? Can AI do something so that even though I'm moving, the background still disappears or not? So if that happens, I will show you now how I did this. So I'm done flapping with my arms. So usually I would have a problem when I'm wearing green and I have a green screen, because when I turn it on, I'm like all the way. So we can fix that a little bit when we use the AI instead too. Let's make the picture normal and go through how I did this after you've subscribed to our channel and give the video a like. So we go to runwayml.com, we log in and then we sign up, and then there's a remove background feature in here. We click that one. It takes us to the weird black thing. We drag in the video from before, we drag it here, and then you see up in the top left corner it will say uploading. When it's done uploading, then we can click it, and then we have beautiful me. Then we have a thing to the right that's called click on area to start masking. So we'll click on that and we'll make 3 dots on me. Then you see, then the AI program will turn me green, you see, with the dots here. And then we'll go up and we'll do click done masking, and then everything in the background will turn green. Then we'll go up to the right and we'll click export, and then export the video, and voila. If I want to do the plant, then I had to make a lot more dots. So you see here, when I zoom in on the plant, that it has a lot of dots, and I even had to make some red dots. So that's a feature inside Runway where we say, okay, so it has made some of the parts green that I don't want, so it has masked things I don't want. So then I can click the red color to remove the part. So if you go back to the beginning of the video, you will see that some parts of the plant are missing. So you need to zoom in and like remove these parts, because it's not always good when it's like small things with keeping those. So after we've exported the different files, then we go to our assets page. You will see that in the top I have made like 3,605 different things using Gen 2 mostly for making images into video. Then we go to the right with the 3 dots and we click download, and voila, we can drag it into Photoshop or whatever we want. And if you want to do the crazy things with the arms, this is how I did it. I put the different video clips under each other, and yeah, that's what's happened. I would recommend that after if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, that you go watch our video with how to animate images with Gen 2 and create YouTube shorts next.